This video shows you how to transfer email from your Donet.com address to a new email box set up with a new provider. And here I have a test box for Bob Dole at Donet.com with some nested folders. And I'm going to go set up my email box with Gmail. And I've already set up this account with the Gmail web interface. You have to go create your account first and set your username and password before you can accomplish the steps here shown in this video. I already did that and am now just plugging in those values into Microsoft Outlook so that it can access both email accounts at the same time. And now you see I have both accounts set up there, my Bob Dole at Donet.com and my Gmail address. Putting my mouse on the Bob Dole inbox and right-clicking, I'm going to create a new folder called Old Mail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer all of the mail that I want in my current Donet account into that old mail account. And folder by folder I'm going to do this because there's no way to group select these inside Microsoft Outlook. So I'll do folder by folder, dragging the folders I want into old mail. And I'll even go into my inbox and I'll select all of those and drag them into my old mail as well because I want what's in my inbox to move over as well. And now that I've got everything inside that old mail folder nested with all the messages I want, I'm going to take that old mail folder and I'm going to click and drag that with my mouse all the way down to the new Gmail box. I'm going to set that on top of the new inbox and select yes to move it. And now, as you can see, all my mail has moved from my Donet.com address to my Gmail box. If you've got a lot of mail, this may take some time, so please be patient, but ultimately you'll see all of your messages moved from one account to the other. After all your email has migrated, you should go into your account settings and make your new email box the default email address for your Outlook account. While you're there, you can also remove your Donet account from the configuration so that when you're all said and done, the only email address left in your Outlook client is your new email box. And that's how easy it is.